Ethan had everything people say should make you happy. A steady job, a safe place to live, a life that looked successful on paper. But every night, he went to bed with his heart racing. And every morning, he woke up already exhausted. Not because of work, not because he didn't sleep enough, but because his mind never shut off. Thoughts running in circles, worries he couldn't explain, pressure he couldn't turn down. If you've ever felt tired even after resting, if your chest feels heavy for no clear reason, if you wake up already feeling behind, then this story isn't just about Ethan, it's about you. Ethan lived in a quiet American town where everything looked fine from the outside. Nothing seemed broken, nothing seemed wrong, but inside him, everything felt loud. The moment his eyes opened, his thoughts came rushing in. Deadlines, expectations, that constant fear of falling behind while everyone else moved forward. His phone was the first thing he reached for every morning and the last thing he stared at before falling asleep. Social media showed everyone winning. The news showed a world falling apart. And somewhere between those two extremes, Ethan felt completely lost. He wasn't exactly unhappy, but he wasn't at peace either. At work, Ethan smiled. He delivered results, he met expectations. On the surface, he was doing everything right, but inside, he carried tension like a second heartbeat, always there, always pounding. He rushed through meals, avoided silence, stayed busy just to avoid being alone with his thoughts. At night, when the world finally slowed down, his anxiety didn't. Lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, he replayed mistakes no one else even remembered, imagined futures that hadn't happened yet. And every night, the same question came back to him. Why does my heart feel so restless? One evening, after a long day, Ethan sat in his car outside his apartment. The engine was off. His phone was silent. His hands rested on the steering wheel. For the first time, he didn't rush inside. He didn't distract himself. And that's when it hit him. His heart wasn't tired because life was hard. It was tired because he was carrying everything alone. The expectations, the pressure, the constant need to always be strong. That night, Ethan realized something most people never slow down enough to see. Peace isn't something you chase, it's something you allow. Ethan stopped trying to control every outcome, stopped fighting uncertainty, stopped demanding perfection from himself. Instead of asking, what if everything goes wrong, he started asking, what if I'm okay either way? And slowly, something shifted. His breathing slowed, his thoughts softened, his heart felt lighter. Not because his problems disappeared, but because his resistance did. Ethan learned to pause. When anxiety showed up, he didn't panic, he acknowledged it. When life felt uncertain, he didn't run, he stayed present. He learned that a peaceful heart doesn't mean a perfect life, it means trusting yourself enough to face whatever comes. And for the first time in years, silence felt safe. If your heart feels heavy right now, if your mind never seems to rest, understand this. You don't need to fix your entire life today. You don't need all the answers. Peace begins the moment you stop fighting the present. Because the secret to a peaceful heart isn't found in success or money or approval. It's found in learning to let go of what you were never meant to carry. If this story gave you even a moment of calm, if it reminded you that peace is possible, then know this, you're not alone. American Dream Motivation is here for people like you, for real stories, real struggles, and real mindset shifts that help you slow down and breathe again. If you want more videos like this, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel, not for hype, but for growth, clarity, and a more peaceful heart.